Hi my wonderful viewers, hope you all are doing well, and I'm your host Donna. Today's video is on Quilling Christmas Wreath Fridge Magnet. So for that, I have got all the supplies here. I have got a 176 GSM piece of paper. Folded this in half. I will be making a circle out of this paper. Compass. I have got 2 colors of green quilling strips. These are of 3 mm ones and the length is of 38 centimeter. Got a red one. This is of 1.5 mm quilling strip and it is of 15 centimeter in length. Ruler and a scissor. Here is a red ribbon. This is of 20 centimeter in length. Paper knife. And here I have got a tiny mini magnet which I will be using at the end of the project. So let's begin. The very first thing that I will be doing is I will be taking a 5 centimeter line and then pointing at 2.5, that is the center, and then I will be taking 0.5 centimeter from the 2 sides. So that is all the marking is. Now I will be making 2 circles. Now this circle, the diameter is 5 centimeter and the other one is of 4.5 centimeter. Here I will be applying some masking tape so that construction paper remains fixed and I get 2 circles at a time. Taking my glue, I will adhere both the circles. The circle is ready. Now taking the quilling strips, I will fold it in half and then I will cut it from the middle. I will be doing the same with all of these strips. Now taking my quilling tool, I will first make a tight coil. First I made a tight coil and then I released. So it has come to its shape. Now it has become loose enough, adhering one end. Now I am pinching one side like this. I will be doing the same with other green strips as well. Now with these 3 petals, I will make one set. And then I will be pinching at the bottom so that it looks like this. Coming to the red one, I will be making a very tight coil. And I am not releasing the coil. Instead, I am adhering the end very tightly. Here I have got few of these sets. I have actually got 8 sets in total. Taking this circle, I will start adhering the leaves one by one. So everything will be in one direction. Now the circle is made. Now I will be adding the red coils one by one. So that also will be a set of 3 representing the berries. And this is done. Now I will be making a bow with this ribbon. of the sides to make both the sides equal. And I will keep a little bit long ends. Now I will be using hot glue gun. This is done. So here I will be using a little bit of half cut pearl here and there. Now at the end we'll be adhering this small magnet at the back. So here in this one I have given some glittery effect in the dark green shade. So here also I will be doing a little bit of touch up. I am using my Wink of Stella brush. Using a little bit on top of the red ones as well. Taking my clear organza bag, I will put this Christmas wreath inside and it is ready for gifting. Hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching and thanks for supporting me. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.